Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to activate Lois credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.lois.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. This will directly take you to lois.syf.com. Since your Lois credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, go ahead and type in your Synchrony credentials in the text box appearing on the left hand side. Type in your user ID in the first text box and make sure to type it in correct. Once you are done, head over to the password field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID or the password link in order to look for your credentials. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click on Remember User ID box and the system will remember it for you. If you don't want to do that since you are using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked before logging in. After typing in the credential, click Secure Login button and you'll be able to get access to your Lois credit card account. Once you're logged in, select the credit card option and click on Activate in order to activate your credit card. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to activate your Lois credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.